Hey guys, it's Dim Reacts, and today we're going to be reacting to Car Crash Compilation. I don't drive, but I've watched these videos. I watched a ton of these videos. The commercials they have for insurance, all that, and they're scary as shit. They don't make... Watching this puts me off from driving, but like they always say, you gotta drive for yourself and other people, because there's a lot of dumbass drivers out there, let's be real. But let's just get right into it. Perfect example. Dumbass driver number one. What are you doing? You idiot. Wow, okay. So trying to swerve from hitting that car in front of them, they end up just... Oh, that wasn't that bad. I mean, still... There's no one in that truck, is there? Nope. Oh shit, I would be so pissed off. Look. Idiot. It's a red light, dumb. That's what you get for being dumb. If you're gonna drive dumb, then something dumb's gonna happen to you. This is gonna trigger me. Oh! Ooh! Why are you making a U-turn in the middle? Oh my gosh. Oh! Yeah, I hope no one died. Oh my gosh. Not paying attention. Okay, that wasn't that bad. That was bad. That was bad. Holy shit. What? Oh, yep. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Oh! It took out his entire bed. This dumbass in the Jaguar. Yep. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh, I've seen this clip before. Oh my gosh, what are these people? Look! Oh! Oh, that was a no. Yeah, you're both still going. Like, you both didn't attempt to stop. You were just honking your horn and that person just kept turning. Stop driving dumb. Just stop. Look, your dumbass tried to run a red light. That's... Ooh. Oh. Look. Why? Why? And this dumbass over here... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are these people doing? Come on. Don't stop. You might as well just punch it and make the turn instead of stopping halfway in the... And this idiot. Fucking dumbass. Oh my gosh. Oops, someone doesn't have insurance. Oh, someone doesn't have insurance or has a record or something.
Whoa, no, 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 no.
Look at this dumbass and the niece. Yup, that's yup. Why are you?
We're gonna be with you for a while. Here's another long
Oh, they're in a Tesla. It's fine. Oh my! Oh! Holy shit! They fell over into the. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What? Idiots! That's what your ass gets. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh! 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 Rage. Really? Yep. Or you can spin him out too. I mean, that works.
Guy just fucking hit me.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I took the long way around flight school, the path past the mess hall and launch pad, to get one last glance at my
Dumb ass. Oh! Oh! What? Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Why? Why? Oh, oh. Okay, that wasn't that oh shit. That wasn't that person's fault. It was a dumbass car that swerved into their lane. Oh, that's fucked up. If you're gonna run a red, why? You should have just, why? Oh no, if it has live leak in the title, it usually ends in death. What happened? Oh no, this person's gonna get T-boned. Yep. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Oh, there's a wreck.
Oh, good thing there's an officer right there.
There's gonna be another one.
What? Oh my gosh! Oh no, another live leak video. Ooh. Oh! Oh my gosh, what are these people? People are so fucking stupid. Why? And why does he keep going? You're not gonna, your car's not fast enough to go past that S. Oh my gosh. That's semi. Oh! Oh! Oh, nice, dumbass. Speed and take everyone else out with you. Yeah, real smart. If you're gonna drive like a dumbass and speed and try to run a red light and you get in an accident, then I have no sympathy for you. If you're gonna drive like a dumbass and something bad happens to you, well, you know what? That's just what you get. That's your fault. Let's see. Yeah, I feel bad for everyone who did not survive. Exactly. Let me see. Usually they put like no one was harmed. Like they'll put that in all these videos, but I guess some people did die. Yep, yep. A small portion of their. Let's see. Idiots. And it's always the people, the innocent people that end up dying. It's never the dumbasses that are actually either drinking, not paying attention, speaking, whatever. They never die. It's always the innocent people that just die. Oh my gosh. This makes me never want to drive again. Well, not like I drive now, but it just... I have no interest in driving, but... Anyway, let me know what you guys thought down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So, bye! Stop driving like a fucking idiot, people. Please, please.